children, how are you? I think you all are well and safe at home. Now I'm going to continue the lesson Geometrical Shapes and the Lines. Last lesson, same thing we learned. In the last lesson, I told 4 topics. Can you remember the 4 topics? 2D shapes, 3D shapes, roll and slide, and lines. And last class we learned 2D shapes and the 3D shapes. In the 2D shapes, what are the shapes we learned? What are the shapes we learned? Can you remember? S. Square. Rectangle. Rectangle.
Okay.
Triangle. And circle. This we learned in the last class. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners, as well as that rectangular also has 4 sides and 4 corners, but triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners, but the circle doesn't have corners and the sides. All the sides are, it has only one surface. Next what we learned? 3D shapes. The 3D shapes, what we learned in the last lesson? Cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes. And we learned the sphere. Sphere has one curved surface, only one curved face. Then the cone. Cone has a one curved face and one flat face. Then what we learned? The cube. Cube also same as a cuboid. It also has a 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. And one more 3D shape is, can you see this one all? Yes, it's the shape of cylinder. It's a shape of cylinder. The cylinder has a 2 flat face and 1 curved face. The cylinder has 2 flat face and 1 curved face. Now we have learned the 3D shapes: cuboid, cube, cone, sphere and the cylinder. In 2D shape, 4 shapes we learned. In the 3D shapes, there are 5 shapes. Next, in the 3D shapes, some object will roll and some will be sliding. That now we are going to learn. Now children, we are going to see the objects which can roll and which can slide. Now see, I have 2 objects. Can you see this one? What is this? It's a matchbox. And can you see what is this? It's what you are using to sharpen your pencil, the sharpener. Okay, the 2 objects I have shown you. These 2 objects I am going to keep here, the 3D shapes. Now you have to see which is rolling and which is sliding. You all are carefully watch. Yes, the cuboid. It is the 2 cuboid I kept. The both of them were sliding and going down. The next is, I am going to show you the cone. The 2 cones I am having. In the 2 cones we learned curved surface and the flat surface. Now I'll keep this one in a flat surface. See, it is rolling or sliding. Now I'm going to keep this cone to the curved surface and see it rolls or slide. Yes. When we keep it in a flat surface, it slides. When we keep it in a curved surface, it rolls. Now I have a spade, the small one and the big one. When we keep the small one, it will slide or roll. Just watch it, it's roll. The big one I'm keeping, just watch it, it is rolls or slide. Yes, it rolls. It didn't slide. The next object, the 3D object, is cylindrical shape. What shape is this? Cylindrical shape. It has a 2 flat shape and 1 curved face. Now one thing I'm going to keep it in a flat face. Now you see it slides. The next one in a curved face I'm keeping, it rolls. Now the cylindrical shapes, when you keep it in a flat surface, it slides. When you keep it in a curved surface, it rolls. So in this two objects are there, cone and cylinder. Now the cylindrical shape, it can roll as well as it can slide. The same thing, the cone also can roll and it can slide. But other things and all, it cannot roll. Only the cuboid and the cube, only it can slide. So we have seen the rolling objects and which are the object can slide and which object can roll and slide. I think you all understand about the object which can roll and slide. Next we are going to learn lines. Now lines. Children, did you know shapes are created by connecting lines? Shapes are created by connecting lines. There are different types of lines depending upon their position and the shapes. Now I'll explain with the rope. See, I have taken one rope here. It's not in any shape. But when I stretch it tightly, what you can see? It looks like one straight line, isn't it? When I stretch it tightly to one end to another end, it looks like one straight line. Now same thing, both the end I'm bringing to a close I'm bringing. What happened? It looks like a straight? No, it's like a zigzag or it's a curved. It's not a standing straight, it's a curved. So these are the lines we are going to learn, straight lines and the curved lines. In the straight lines we are having a 3 types. Now we'll see the straight lines and the curved lines. See, the lines has a 4 types: horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanting line and curved line. The spelling for horizontal: HORIZONTAL, horizontal line, LINE line. Vertical: VERTICAL, vertical line, LINE line. Slanting: SLANTING, slanting line, LINE line. Curved: CURVED, curved line. Now one by one we are going to learn the lines and the positions. Now first we are going to see the horizontal line. The horizontal line is, it goes left to right and the right to left. Now I'll show you here the horizontal line. It goes left to right. Can you see? It goes left to right and it goes in right to left. But it is a straight. The horizontal line goes left to right and the right to left. The other name in an easy way, because when you sleep, how will you sleep? This way only will sleep. No, so they are saying a sleeping line. Horizontal line, we can say it a sleeping line. The other name to remember horizontal line na sleeping line. Sleeping line, it will be flat to right to left and left to right. Next, we are going to learn vertical line. The vertical line goes up and down to up. Here you can see the vertical line I am drawing. Up and down. From up, it comes to down straight. Now, one more line I am going to draw from down to up. It comes up and down to up. It's a vertical line. Another name, we can say it is a standing line. It is standing line. First horizontal is sleeping line. This we can say up and down and up. We can say it a standing line. S-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing line. Horizontal, sleeping. Vertical, standing. Next we are going to see, you think about any note you are having a horizontal line and the vertical line. Yes, when I was thinking, I remember your max note. Your max note, you can see the horizontal line and the margin line is a vertical line. Can you see it? Yes. If you cannot see this one clear, you take your note and see the horizontal line and the vertical in your max note. The next line we are going to see slanting line. The next line we are going to see slanting line. Now I am going to draw the slanting line. The slanting line, it's when you slip out, now I am standing straight. When I slip, just I am going little slanting, no, the cross way. That is a slanting line. It goes low to high. See the slanting line, low to high. From low to high in a cross way and high to low. High to low in a cross way. We can say this one a slanting line or a cross line or a cross. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Cross, sorry, C-R-O-S-S, cross line, L-I-N-E, line. This, where we will use it? Where we will use these lines? Yes, when you write the question answers wrong, what Miss will do? Just she will put one slanting line from up to down. What we will call this? Wrong. The other thing in the max where we will use to the multiplication tables. Multiplication table, it will come the slanting line with the two cross. So that only they say it's a cross line. Can you understand this one? Low to up, low to down. Height, low to high, high to low. It's a cross line or slanting line. These two example I given. One is, when you write the question answer wrong, they will put wrong like this. The other one is for the multiplication table, we will use this one. Now we learn the three lines. One is horizontal, left to right, right to left, vertical line, down to up, up to down, slanting line, low to high, high to low. These three lines are called straight line. What line? These three lines are called
Straight
line. What is the spelling for straight? S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight lines. Straight lines. These three are called in one name. It's a straight lines. Next we are going to see the curved lines. Children, now you can see the lines which I have drawn on the board. This is the curved line. It will not stand straight. It will go zigzag way. It will go up and down. See, you can see the waves, how it will come. It goes up and down. It can move like this. So it is called the curved line. So now we are seeing the all four lines. Horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line and curved line. Now horizontal line, vertical line and slanting line, we can draw the shapes like rectangle, triangle and square. These shapes we are using the lines horizontal, slanting and vertical. But the curved line, what shapes we can draw for the curved line? We can draw the what shape? Circle, the round or the oval, whatever we can draw. Can you understand, children? Yes, I think so. Now next we go to the some letters. Now look at the S, letter S. The S is a curved. So we are using here a curved line. And same thing in the O. It also used a curved line. Now look at the R. Here what are the lines used? Can you guess? Yes. Vertical line here. This side curved line. And here slanting line. Very good. Vertical, curved, slanting. Three lines are used here. And here vertical, curved. And T. Tell me what are the lines are used here? Horizontal and vertical. Now if you see all the letters, there will be a lines. Different lines, straight lines and curved line. We can see it. Next we will see some objects which has a straight line and curved lines. Now see the objects I have drawn on the board. See this one a saucer and cup. The saucer or we can say plate. The rim, this rim, you can see the rim now here. This part. How it looks? It looks like a straight line? No, it's a curved line. And same way the cup. In the cup also, I told now everywhere we can see the objects. In the cup, what line is here? Curved line. See everywhere, full cup is curved line is here. Now observe this one. What is this? Leaf. Observe this one. This is a leaf, you can see. It has only the straight line? No, it has two. The straight line as well as the curved line. The straight line as well as the curved line. Children, you can also create any irregular shapes. You have many rough notes at home or anything, you take and just observe what shape is this, what are the lines are in this shape. Now just I'll see, here is a, I'm having a scissor, anything you can say. It's a curved shape, curved lines, straight lines. If you see like this, slanting line, can you see it? Anything you take and just tell the lines and see. So that only you will not forget the lines which all are in everywhere. Wherever you see, just you have to say, this is the 2D shape, this is the 3D shape. Oh, these shapes are, it comes in the, these are the lines. You have to observe each and everything and you have to find out and you have to recall it all the things what I have taught you. I thought of giving one project, nothing. It's you all know to do a boat. You all know to do a boat. See, this is the boat I have made. When rain comes, you all want to make a boat and want to float it on the water. Like this boat you create with the paper. Don't stick it in the A4 sheet. You have to stick it in the max note. Keep it safe. And here one thing you have to do. You have to write the how many horizontal lines, how many vertical lines, how many slanting lines. Because in this boat no curved lines. I am not telling the curved lines. The 3 straight lines. The 3 straight lines, horizontal, vertical and slanting line. You have to write. After we send the notes, you copy down the notes. In that, after copy down the notes, last in that lesson, you have to stick this boat in the note. Don't forget, children. Don't forget. This is the boat. Tell your parents to make and give. Or in the WhatsApp, I will teach you and send you how to make this boat. Okay, I think you understand the lesson and you enjoyed. Now I'm going to finish the max subject lesson, the geometrical and the line shapes. Still now patiently you are listening and learning. Thank you, children. And you try to recall it everything and learn every day. Thank you.